Hello, my name is Probal Sil and I'm from Elyzium, and I'd like to talk to you today about jobexecutor.com, our cloud-based workload automation service. Many organizations have workload automation within their infrastructure but are expanding out into the cloud and need a solution that spans both environments. That's what jobexecutor.com is. It allows you to move your on-premise workload automation server to the cloud to manage both sides. So let's have a look at how it works. Today, most servers are within a data center, and this is the management environment for workload automation. The server is typically within the data center with multiple agents across both virtual and physical servers. But the movement to cloud means that the requirements for workload automation are extended. So where we have a cloud-based offering, whether that's private, public, or a hybrid cloud, which is the most common requirement, what we do is we have a management server that spans both infrastructures, agents that run within that infrastructure, and it allows you to control information flow between your on-premise infrastructure and your cloud infrastructure, and vice versa as well. So where you've spent years creating complex automation within your data center, you get to keep that and augment it with what's going on in the cloud as well. This enables application developers to code automation as part of their build. So they do this through the Job Executor server, and the automation itself runs on the agent it needs in order to fulfill the application's requirements. So historically, workload automation has been achieved through scripts and then through configuration of specific application plugins. Nowadays, what organizations require for application development is a consumer-based model. So using REST APIs to actually create, modify, and delete jobs and schedules dynamically. And that's exactly what Job Executor gives you, as well as all the historical means by which people have consumed workload automation. So what are the benefits of jobexecutor.com? Well, there are several, but the first one to talk about really is that it's a dedicated service to your organization. Many cloud-based services are multi-tenanted, and what that means is that you're sharing a server with a number of other organizations, so you're not getting the full benefit of the application itself, you're not getting the full benefit of the service. With us, we dedicate a server to each of our customers, or multiple servers, depending on what your requirements are. And in that way, you get a full service, you tailor it to what you need, and get the full benefits of your workload automation service. So the next benefit is that jobexecutor.com is unrestricted and unlimited in terms of your agent installations. You only pay for the jobs that you run. In that way, you can install agents wherever you want. If you want to use an agentless model, you can do that as well, but you only pay for what you consume. This is the best way of actually using a cloud-based workload automation service. So how do you move to jobexecutor.com? Well, we have a full migration service that takes you from where you are today to our service within the cloud by migrating all the jobs and schedules you have in place today into our server, maximizing what you're doing, and then introducing the new features that will enable you to instrument your new applications within the cloud. So one of the key benefits of jobexecutor.com is the people behind it. So having an automation service is great and there's full features within it, but you need a point at which to start. And rather than doing it yourself, we assign one of our technical experts who will guide you through not only the migration process, but also maximizing the jobexecutor.com service. This is not a mass market cloud-based offering. It's specifically designed for data center migrations to the cloud. So people are key to the success of this, both from our side and from yours. So how is jobexecutor.com priced? Well, it's priced on a per job model. So it's based on the executions that you have. But what we want to do is to make sure that costs don't run away. So we cap both the repeat jobs and also the total number of jobs that you run. So a repeated job only counts once within a given day, no matter how many times you execute it. So if you run a job, it will only ever count once in a given day. You have a monthly allowance, which can be increased or decreased, but the count itself represents an execution of a job once within a given day. Secondly, we ensure that pricing is capped on a per server basis. So as the number of jobs that you're executing on a particular server increases, it gets to a ceiling and then it's capped. We ensure that your pricing stays consistent and stays maintainable moving forward. So how do developers consume jobexecutor.com? Well, they do this by using REST-based APIs. So the application can call the REST interface within jobexecutor.com to create, amend, or delete jobs and schedules within your workload automation infrastructure, thereby maximizing the speed to value of your business application. In summary, jobexecutor.com is a cloud-based workload automation service that helps you maximize your time to value for new business services. Thank you for watching.